Hello. Okay, I'll do this example here. So we want to find we have the supply and the demand function. Okay, so let the supply and demand functions for sugar be given by, and here we have these two linear functions. Okay, where P is the price per pound and Q is the quantity in thousands of pounds. So we're supposed to graph these on the same axis, and then we're going to find the equilibrium quantity and the equilibrium price. Okay, so here's sort of what you would want to do if you were actually doing this, and you'll need to be able to do something like this on an exam. So you want to practice this. So you basically get a little coordinate system out there, and then we want to draw this. Okay, so the idea here is that this is the Q-axis and this is the P-axis. And first I'll draw my quantity S, the supply. Okay, so basically there you'd plot some points. There's the y-intercept, and as you can see the slope is positive, so it goes off something like this, being very, very cryptic here. You might want to be a little bit more accurate when you're doing this on your exam. Now notice, so here's the graph of my line, S of P. Then the demand curve, as a function of the quantity Q, looks differently. It has a y-intercept that's up here at the point 0.32, and then it kind of tapers off this way. So this point right here, that's what we're looking for. That's the point where the supply and the demand are equal. Okay, and that is what brings us to part B, find the equilibrium quantity and the equilibrium price. So to do that, what we do is we set S of Q equal to D of Q. Okay, and let's see what we have here. So that says we want to find the quantity Q when 1.4 times Q, here's S, minus 0.6. We want to find out when that's equal to the demand. Well, the demand is given by minus 2 times the quantity Q plus 3.2. Okay, and so now we're going to solve this for Q. Okay, so I will add 2Q to both sides, so we get 1.4 Q plus 2Q is equal to, now I'm going to also add, I'm also going to add 0.6 to both sides. So that is what gets us to this point, plus 0.6. And so what we see is we get 3.4 Q is equal to, this would be 3.8. So dividing both sides by 3.4, we get our quantity, Q, which is equal to 3.8 divided by 3.4. Okay, and then to determine, so that's our Q, then to determine what our what the actual price would be, you and it's a nice check to see that you've done the calculations correct. You plug Q into either one of these, and you should get the same value. And I'll leave that for you as an exercise. So the equilibrium quantity would be that, and the equilibrium price would be what you get when you plug the quantity that we solve for, 3.8 divided by 3.4, into this either one of these linear functions. All right, thank you.